Hey, y'all. Well, as you can see, we're still on vacation. Tomorrow we're only got one more day left to be in the chalet. This beautiful chalet. I love this chalet. Just look how beautiful it is. And then when I come home from vacation, which is not tomorrow but the next day, then it's going to be back to school. But I like school. I like school, but the thing is that I don't want summer vacation to be over because summer vacation is so wonderful. I'm never going to forget this chalet. I'll never forget something more precious than like this. Anyway, so it's time for me to go to bed soon. I only got a half hour left of playtime, and I'm just here filming a video today because I'm just playing with my toys. I have 3 fidget spinners, and I'm going to do a competition. I'm going to see which fidget spinner lasts the longest. Which one do you think it is? The rainbow one, the green one, or the black one? Let's see which one is going to win. All right, and then we're going to see which one lasts the longest. All right, here we go. Whoa. Ooh. They're spinning hard. I wonder which one. Oh, rainbow one's starting to slow down. Oh, slowing down. And that one is out. Let's see which one. Green or black. Which one do you think it is, guys? Green or black? Tell me in the comments. We're about to find out. Green, you're struggling. You're slowing down, y'all. Black might win. Uh-oh. Green is slowing down. My favorite color. No. No, not my favorite color. No. How is black the best? I want green to win. Green is my favorite color. I want it green to win. Look, black is still going. I just can't believe it. My favorite color lost. I thought green was going to win. Anyway, congratulations, black. Come on, you can stop now. You won. You won now. You can stop. Okay. Oh, he stopped. All right. Well, and it looks like this fidget spinner is the winner. But I want it green to win, not black. Well, you know what? I'm going to want a rematch. I'm going to do it again. And if black wins this round, it's a championship. So let's do it again. I'm having another competition. Let's see who wins this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Let's see which one's going to win this time. Rainbow, they're slowing down. Rainbow's starting to slow down. All right, well, that's it. Rainbow is out of here. Rainbow is out. Come on, green. You can do it, green. Come on. Don't slow down. Come on. Please. Come on. No, don't slow down. No. Why? Just why? No. Why? Why? All right. Well, I guess I'm just going to have to accept it. That green, sorry green, but you're out. All right, Black. You are the champion. And Black wins. Black wins the whole competition. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye, y'all. I hope you have a good sleep and a nice dream. And I'm going to have lots of fun tomorrow. I'm going to have some shorts posted. And yep, so stay tuned and go to Andy McIsaac. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye-bye.